welcome to another Fit Vegan cooking video. As you can tell, we have a special guest. We have Kaytee here, who is a Fit Vegan member. She just completed her transformation. We just recorded her podcast. So if you haven't listened to that yet, you should go and check it out. So as a fun fact, Kaytee is one of the co-founders of Nutrigazm. You know, how has it been the transformation so far?
Oh my gosh, it's changed my life, like literally in every way possible, from just, you know, general fitness and nutrition to enhancing everything else in my life, from work to relationships, and I'm just so grateful. Yeah.
Beautiful. We had like a 90-minute conversation that went off the rails, but it was about beautiful things. And
so good.
Yeah, it was a good conversation. So do you mind talking a little bit more about Nutrigazm? And just to be transparent to people, if you haven't listened to previous videos, I have invested in Nutrigazm. So just a little bit biased that it's great, but I wouldn't invest it if it wasn't great. So
it's true. You're very particular about what. Nutrigazm is a whole food powder company. So we only use whole foods in our products, which is very different from really any other protein powder company or anything. And I don't like to call it protein powder. It's more of a protein blend. It does offer many other benefits besides just a protein boost. So it has nootropics. It's got
adaptogens.
Everything's adaptogenic. It supports stress resilience. It is great for immunity, health, and just so many different things. Hair, skin, nails, everything.
It's my favorite. I bring it with me in my travels, so yes.
Yeah, so I was gonna say also, I'll just kind of zoom in on the bag as well. Again, we're gonna make a recipe with this, show you guys how to make a high protein oatmeal bowl in the morning. But as you can see, it's just hemp hard protein, strawberries, coconut water powder, camu, sea buckthorn berry, monk fruit, keeping it simple. So this is a breakfast that you've made while you're in the program for your transformation?
Yes, I do this actually 5 days a week, I believe. So very familiar with it, and it definitely gives me energy throughout the day, and always great to have that extra protein boost in the morning. So
awesome. So you guys just launched strawberry, and then blueberry is going to be launching soon?
Blueberry launched yesterday.
Yes. So it's definitely live by the time this video goes out.
Yes.
So what we'll do is Kaytee will lead us through her breakfast, basically that she's used to improve her body composition in the program. And if you guys are interested, I will put a link down below so you guys can go check out some of the products and order some for yourself. All right. So we're gonna cut, and I'll leave Ivy and Kaytee to lead the show on this one, and I'm gonna step out of the camera and be the cameraman.
It's our show now. So Kaytee, take us in showing us your favorite ingredients that you use for the oatmeal.
Yeah, absolutely. So of course we have the organic oatmeal, and then we have the Nutrigazm strawberry cream protein blend here. And we also have a blueberry that is also great in this recipe. And then for toppers, we have some coconut flakes and pumpkin seeds and blackberries and strawberries. So pretty simple.
Delicious.
It's very good.
How many grams of protein for Nutrigazm? Want to show the back of it?
Yeah. It has 14 per serving.
Nice.
14 grams per serving. So that'll be a high protein oatmeal.
Yes, it definitely will. It'll support your energy and is very good for your immune system and your hair, skin, and nails.
And it's delicious.
And it's so good. So good. Okay, first step, we are going to, let's see where's our pot here. So we're gonna measure, we're gonna make 3 servings for us. So we're each gonna do half a cup of oats. So we'll do a cup and a half here.
Should we turn on the pot? Yes,
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, that's probably needed.
So what happens when there's 2 chefs in the kitchen?
We're great. What are you talking about?
That's right. Okay, so here's a cup, and then about half a cup more. Ooh, there we go. Then we want to put some water in there.
Yeah, and that's like the steel cut.
Oh wow, is this is already measured?
No.
Or no? Okay. So we're gonna do 3 cups, I believe, because we're doing a cup
4 and a half, right?
Was it 4 and a half?
I'll grab some more water. Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys you can test it out. Yeah, this is real on the fly.
Should we try 3 and go from there?
Yeah, that's about 3 and a half and a fourth. So I think that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we'll wait for that to boil, and then once it boils, and you just want to, stir it every once in a while. Once it boils, then we'll bring it back down to a simmer. And how long does it take, Ivy?
I have no
I haven't
idea.
used these oats before. Different oats.
People use the 1 minute oats typically.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one is a little bit more hearty and a little bit more protein and fiber in it.
Phenomenal. We love that.
Gotta film everything.
Yeah, mix that oatmeal.
Looking good.
Does look really good.
All right.
All right, looks like it's almost done here.
Looks so good. Okay, we're gonna add 21 grams of protein to the whole pot. And it's a little easier to do it here than in the individual bowls. So that's 3 scoops of Nutrigazm. Thank you, darling. Now, 1 scoop.
Make some
Should I mix them?
pink oatmeal.
That's right.
That's so
it does.
cute.
It does turn pink. It's so fun. Okay, 2
Like,
scoops.
Ivy's dragon fruit smoothie.
Yes,
Ooh.
anything pink I love.
Yum. Okay, and we'll probably need a little extra. Oh, thank you. Little extra water. Ivy, do you want to pour a little bit in there?
Tell me when to
The
stop.
teamwork.
Let's
Teamwork
try that.
makes the dream works.
Yeah.
But look how pretty that is.
I know.
And I did the math earlier, so per bowl it'll be 13 grams of protein before we add any toppings.
Nice.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Great way to start your day.
And that's for, yeah, that's basically for like half a cup. No, actually it's a bit more than that. It'll be closer to 18, sorry.
Oh, wow. Okay, even better. Okay, great.
So you get
That looks
bicep
good.
legs.
Gonna turn off the oven or stove.
What are you doing?
I'm dumping.
dumping,
Delicious.
dumping in progress.
Yeah.
And these nice bowls that her mom
smells
brought
good.
back from the Philippines.
All right. So we're gonna split this into 3. Thank you for holding the
I
pot.
think the camera can smell it. It smells good.
Yeah, and it's pinkish. All right.
Okay, so usually I put some toppings on the oatmeal. I'm gonna do, let's see, some coconut flakes. So good. I love coconut flakes. And then pumpkin seeds.
Very rich in iron as well.
Ooh, yes, very good, especially necessary when you're vegan because you're not getting it from meat. And then we got some strawberries, just throw a few of them on there. There we go. And then blackberries. So
Rich in antioxidants.
pretty. Look at that. And delicious, of course.
So
Ooh,
with the pumpkin seeds and everything, we're looking roughly at about like 20 grams of protein.
incredible breakfast. Love it.
All right, and there you have it, a delicious bowl of oatmeal with 20 grams of plant-based protein in it from Whole Foods.
Ooh.
It's time to give it a try.
Oh,
Get Jason to try it first.
Can't wait.
I'm dying.
Hungry?
It's good.
It's good? Awesome.
Oh my
Liking
gosh.
it?
So good.
I'm gonna take a little bite myself.
So nourishing.
Oh yeah, and you can tell that it's like the hearty oatmeal.
Yeah, totally.
In a good way.
So this is our pre-workout meal because now we're gonna go and work out. I'm gonna coach Kaytee. She has a full body workout. We're gonna hit the gym and record that as well. So you guys probably gonna be up on the YouTube channel at some point in the next few weeks, or maybe it's already live at this point. So we appreciate you all for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want more like this, let us know in the comment section below. And again, I will put the link for Nutrigazm in the description because I know how hard it is to find a good quality product. And again, I get pitched every single week for me to represent different companies. I don't want to be an affiliate for anything. I want to invest in a company that I wholeheartedly believe in. I wanted to put my money where my mouth is. That's why I invested in Nutrigazm, and I didn't go for all those other people that don't really care necessarily about health, but it's just about, you know, margins and profits, and the quality of the ingredients aren't as high as I wanted them to be. And so very excited for this. Check it out down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.